Welcome to our guide on setting up your very own backyard poultry farm. Whether you are looking to have fresh eggs daily, meat, or just a new hobby, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started. Let's dive into the process, from planning and setting up to caring for your chickens. Number 1. Planning and preparation. First, planning and preparation are crucial. You need to consider space, local regulations, and the type of chickens you want to raise. Make sure you have enough space. Typically, each chicken needs about 4 square feet inside the co-op and 10 square feet in the run area. Check your local regulations. Some areas have restrictions on the number of chickens or even the breed. Choose your breed based on your goals. For eggs, breeds like Rhode Island Reds or Leghorns are great. For meat, consider Cornish Cross. Dual-purpose breeds like Plymouth Rocks are good for both. Number 2. Building or buying a co-op. Next, you'll need a co-op. You can either build one or buy a pre-made co-op. The co-op should provide shelter, nesting boxes, and roosting bars. Building a co-op can be rewarding and cost-effective. Ensure it's predator-proof with sturdy construction and secure locks. Pre-made co-ops are convenient but can be more expensive. Make sure they meet the space and safety requirements for your flock. Number 3. Setting up the run. Your chickens also need a run to exercise and forage. A secure run prevents predators from getting in and chickens from escaping. Use strong wire mesh for the fencing. Bury the bottom of the fence a few inches into the ground to prevent predators from digging underneath. Number 4. Feeding and watering. Proper nutrition and hydration are vital. You'll need feeders and waterers that keep feed and water clean and accessible. Use a balanced poultry feed and supplement with kitchen scraps and grains for variety. Ensure fresh water is always available, and consider adding electrolytes during hot weather. Number 5. Acquiring chickens. Now, it's time to get your chickens. You can buy chicks from a hatchery, local farm, or even a feed store. Day-old chicks are common and easy to raise. Ensure they are vaccinated and come from a reputable source. If you prefer, you can start with pullets, which are young hens about to start laying eggs. Number 6. Caring for your chickens. Caring for your chickens involves daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Let's break it down. Daily tasks include feeding, providing fresh water, and collecting eggs. Weekly, clean the co-op and check for any signs of illness or distress among the chickens. Monthly, do a thorough inspection of the co-op and run for wear and tear, and perform deep cleaning. Number 7. Health and biosecurity. Maintaining chicken health and biosecurity is crucial. Regularly check for common diseases like mites, lice, and respiratory issues. Keep a first aid kit handy, and use natural or commercial treatments as needed. Isolate any sick chickens immediately to prevent the spread of disease. Number 8. Enjoying your backyard poultry. Raising backyard chickens can be incredibly rewarding. You'll enjoy fresh eggs, the pleasure of watching your chickens, and the benefits they bring to your garden with natural pest control and fertilizer. Remember, patience and consistency are key. With proper care, your chickens will thrive and provide you with fresh eggs and more for years to come. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope this guide has inspired you to start your own backyard poultry farm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more homesteading tips and tricks.